Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the Dollar General glitch list, and boy do we have a lot to talk about today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos for you all this week that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, glitches, overages, plus we have a 3-day sale which starts today, and we've got some really good deals going on with that sale. So if you missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, in yesterday's video, I mentioned this little deal right here, save an additional 25% off when you spend $75 on toys. Well, I ran out to DG yesterday. I was doing a little recon, taking a few pictures, and found this sign right here. So we do have an official end date for this deal of December the 24th. Next up, PSA time. We have a rumor going around, circling in the couponing community, that this deal right here is glitching. We have Ajax, Palmolive, Fabuloso, Suavitel, buy two, get one for free. This sale has been going on for a couple of weeks now. A few of you did send in the deal. Unfortunately, I have not seen any receipts to prove that this glitch is actually working, but the rumor is if you bring up your most expensive item first, that will be your free product versus your least expensive item. I have tried this deal several times at the register over the last couple of weeks, and I have not been able to get it to work for me. So just be aware, quick PSA, do this deal at your own risk. Next up, we're going to shut down another rumor. We have the Airwick buy one get one free digital coupon. Rumor has it that if you ring up the $12 Airwick refills first, and then you ring up one for $7 or $6.25, that it is taking off the $12 as your free item. That deal is also not working. However, even though that deal is not working, we do have a couple of glitches going on with this coupon, because as you all can see, the max value on this coupon is $7. Well, if you want to pick up 2 of the 5-count Airwick refills at $12 each, use this buy one get one free coupon. It is glitching. It is taking off the full $12, so that's going to leave you paying $12 for 2. Now, this coupon is also glitching if you want to pick up one of the Vibrant refills at $7. Ring that one up first, then throw up one for $6.25. Use the buy one get one free coupon. You're going to pay $6.25 for 2. All right, next up, we have this 2 off 6 digital coupon on the Suave Dove and Vaseline products. This coupon is glitching. It's still working on the Lip Therapy Balm, priced at $1.85. Pick up 4, and you're going to pay $5.40. Then, this coupon is also still glitching and working on the Lip Balm Minis. These are priced at $2. Pick up 3, and that's going to leave you paying $4. This coupon is also still glitching and working on the 2 fluid ounce Vaseline lotions, as well as the 1.75 healing jelly. Both of those are priced at $2. So pick up 3, and you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Pepto products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12 count. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 2. Next up, we have the 75% off 1 digital coupon for the Tums product. This coupon is glitching and working on the 24 count. Those are priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.20. And we still have this 150 off 1 digital coupon on the Tums product. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12 count. Those are priced at $1.25. So if you're at a new register, that coupon's going to make it completely free. If you're at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Vicks ZzzQuil products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 4 fluid ounce liquid ZzzQuil, or you can pick up the 8 count tablets. Both of those are priced at $4.35, so after the coupon, you're paying $2.35. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Vicks DayQuil, and we also have a 2 off 1 for the Vicks NyQuil. Both of these coupons are glitching and working on the 4 fluid ounce liquids, priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $3.50. And we also have this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Vicks Vapo products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 20 count cough drops, priced at $1. If you're at a new register, that's going to make it completely free. If you're at an old register, this coupon is going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage. Next up, we have a 50 cent off 1 for the Mr. Clean products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1 count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Here's a new one for this week. We have a 50 cent off 1 for the Charmin products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Charmin Essentials 1 count for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Going right along with it, we have the 50 cent off 1 for the Bounty products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Bounty Essentials 1 count, priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we have a cashback glitch. So we have an offer for $3.50 back when you purchase the Snuggle liquid fabric softener. This is glitching and working on the Suavitel 120 fluid ounce liquid fabric softeners, priced at $8.50. cents. So that's going to make your final price just $5. Next up, we have 75% off one for the Folgers product. This coupon is glitching and working only 24 count coffee sticks. These are priced at $3.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70. Now this coupon is also glitching and working on the Folgers coffee sticks 7 count. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 for our General Mills fruit snacks. This coupon is glitching and working on the Gushers strawberry snacks, the Gushers fruit snacks, the Mott's fruit snacks, and the Mott's berry snacks. All of those are priced at $1. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're paying $1 for 2. Next up, we have this digital coupon for $2 off when you spend 9 on Kit Kat and Payday items. This coupon is glitching. It's actually picking up the regular price. Here we have the Payday candy bars. These are normally priced at $1.35 each, but they're on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free. It's picking up the sale and the coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.56 for 7 Payday candy bars. Now, the same thing is happening with our Kit Kat snack packs. These are on sale 5 for $5. They're normally priced at $1.25 each. Pick up 8 after the coupon and the sale. You're going to pay $6.75 for 8. Now, we also received a new 2 off 9 for our Reese's products. This coupon is kind of doing the same thing. It's picking up the regular price, applying the coupon and the sale. Here we have the Reese's peanut butter cups on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free. So pick up a total of 7 after the sale and the coupon. You're paying $6.10. All right, next up, 50 cents off one for the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching and working on the 50-cent American greeting cards. So that's going to make it completely free. Be aware this coupon does expire tomorrow on November the 10th. Next, we have a 1 off 1 for our Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is glitching and working on the Daily Clean toothbrushes priced at $1 as well as the Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. Pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. And here we have our 1 off 1 for our Crest toothpaste. This coupon is glitching and working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. We also have a 75% off 1 for our Olay body wash. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel size body wash. They're priced at $1.30. So after the coupon, you're paying 55 cents. And we also have a 5 off 3 for our Olay products. This coupon is glitching and working on only 2 count bar soaps. They're priced at $4.25 each. After the coupon, you're paying $7.75 for 3. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 on our Dove and Degree deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on only 1.6 ounce 2 count Dove deodorants. Those are priced at $4.50 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Or you can pick up the 1.7 ounce Degree men's or women's deodorants. Those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're paying $1.65. Next, we have a 50 cent off 1 for our Suave deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working only 1.2 ounce Suave deodorant priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're paying 85 cents. We also have a 3 off 1 for our Colgate products this week. So this coupon is glitching and working only charcoal toothbrushes priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're paying 35 cents. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Colgate Max White toothbrushes priced at $3. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. And last but certainly not least, we have our 4 off 1 for our Always Discreet products. This coupon is glitching and working only 26 count liners priced at $3.25. So if you're at a new register, that's going to make it completely free. If you're at an old register, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. All right, guys, we did it. Over 45 glitches in under 8 minutes. Y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more deals coming at you all today. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button for me, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.